So this is Lenovo Y540.
Yeah, this is 1 second. 1 sec, sorry. This?
Yeah.
So this is your
Yeah,
company?
540. Y540. This
Okay.
one.
Yeah.
And I confirm my company imports from United States.
Bought it from where?
Yeah, brand new and seal factory.
Okay.
Never open, never use, and now you can open.
Oh, you want me to open it?
Yeah, you can open.
Okay. Cool.
You see? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
It's for the you can install one more hard disk. More hard disk. Because it already it's for upgrade.
upgrade the hard disk?
Upgrade hard disk. You can install one more.
Oh, really?
In the future, if you want upgrade,
So, like, how many is...
you can install 2 hard disks, 1 SSD.
Okay, so, how many hard disk is in there or no?
It already has 1 hard disk.
SSD?
And SSD, yeah, SSD. It is for the future. If you want install one more, it's a cable for upgrade in the future. If you want.
Okay, and this is, okay.
Yeah, for the future, yeah.
This is a setup. Yeah. Okay. Okay.